Hi friend, let's meet some cute animals. The bunny will jump, and the duck will dance. Let's count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? It's going to be so much fun. Number 1. Here comes one big, happy elephant. Elephant par. Can you hear his trumpet? Number 2. Look, 2 roaring lions. Lion. They sound so strong. R.
Number 3. Boing boing. Boing. 3 frogs are jumping on lily pads. Number 4. Look at the silly monkey's monkey. They love swinging and eating bananas. Number 5. Chirp. Chirp, 5 birds flying high. Bird. Let's flap our wings with them. Number 6. Waddle dot waddle penguin. 6 penguins are sliding on the ice. Number 7. Boing. Boing. 7 rabbits hopping everywhere. Rabbit face. Let's hop with them. Number 8. Quack. Quack. Duck. 8 ducks swimming in the pond. Number 9. Meow. Cat face. 9 cuddly cats playing with yarn. Number 10. Woof. Woof. Dog face. 10 puppies running in the park. Let's count them one more time. Yay! You counted from 1 to 10. Party popper, you are amazing. Let's do more fun learning tomorrow. Subscribe now and come back tomorrow for more fun learning with Kiddie Learn Laugh. Bye!